Life in rainforest. Introduction. A tropical rainforest is a forest of tall trees that bloom all year. It's called a rainforest because it usually rains every day. It can rain more than 250 centimeters in 1 year. Many amazing animals and plants live in rainforest. What do you know about tropical rainforest? How tall is a kapok tree? How long does a sloth sleep every day? How many eyes does a tarantula have? What do hummingbirds drink? Now read and discover more about life in tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. All the tropical rainforests are near the equator. Most of them are in the tropics. The biggest tropical rainforest is the Amazon rainforest in South America. The second biggest is the Congo rainforest in Africa. South Asia also has lots of tropical rainforests. There are smaller rainforests in Central America, Madagascar, India, Australia, and on the islands near Australia. Tropical rainforests cover only about 6% of Earth, but they have 50% of all the different types of animals and plants that we know. About 10 square kilometers of rainforest can have 750 types of tree, 1,500 types of other plant, 400 types of bird, and 150 types of butterfly. Some very big animals live in tropical rainforest. Jaguars are the biggest cats in the Amazon rainforest. Rainforest layers. Tropical rainforests have layers. The top layer is the Amazon layer. The tops of the tallest trees are in this layer. It's very windy. Eagles and bats live here. The next layer is the canopy. The big branches and leaves of tall trees are here. There are many types of animals in this layer because there's light and lots of food. Monkeys and toucans live in the canopy. The next layer is the understory. The top of the small trees are in this layer. It's dark and hot. Jaguars and tree frogs live here. The bottom layer is the forest floor. The roots of the trees are in this layer. Many insects live on the forest floor. Some very big animals, like anteaters, live here too. They eat insects. The kapok tree is one of the tallest rainforest trees. It can grow up to 70 meters tall. Plants. Animals and people get lots of food from rainforest plants. Bananas, pineapples, and nuts all grow in the rainforest. We can make things from rainforest plants too. We can make clothes and bags from pineapple leaves. We also use some plants to make medicine. We can use some rainforest trees, like the balsam tree, for food. For wood. We can use the rubber tree for latex to make rubber. Many rainforest plants are homes for animals, like monkeys, birds, and insects. Some frogs live between the leaves of big plants. Some birds and other small animals live in tree holes. They make nests for their babies in the holes. Orangutans sleep in nests in trees. They make the nest from leaves and branches. Orangutans use big leaves and umbrellas when it's rain. Rivers. Tropical rainforests have some of the biggest rivers on Earth, like the Mekong River in Asia and the Congo River in Africa. The biggest rainforest river is the Amazon River in South America. The Amazon is about 6,400 kilometers long. Many smaller rivers go into big rainforest rivers. More than 1,000 smaller rivers go into the Amazon. Many animals live in rainforest rivers. The Amazon has more than 3,000 types of fish. One example is the piranha. It has big teeth. Anaconda also live here. The anaconda is one of the biggest snakes in the world. People need rainforest rivers too. Rivers give people fish to eat and water. Rivers are also important for travel. Many people travel by boat because there aren't any roads. Mammals. A mammal is an animal that breathes air and drinks milk from its mother. Lots of mammals live in rainforest. Chimpanzees are mammals, and they live in African rainforest. They eat leaves, fruit, insects, and other small animals. Sloths live in the rainforest in Central America and South America. They are the slowest mammal in the world. They eat leaves and fruit, and they sleep for about 80 hours every day. Sloths are so slow that eagles grow on their fur. Tigers live in rainforests in Asia. They are the biggest cats in the world. They hunt and eat other mammals, fish, and birds. They like water and they can swim well. Platypushes live in rainforest in Australia. They hunt underwater and eat insects, shellfish, and worms. Male platypushes have poisonous stingers on their feet. Mini-beets. Most of the mini-beets in rainforest are insects. The biggest butterfly in the world lives in the rainforest in Papua New Guinea near Australia. It's the female Queen Alexandra's bird wing. Its wings can be 31 centimeters across. Mantises live in rainforests all around the world. They use camouflage to hide from other mammals. They can look like leaves, sticks, or flowers. Many types of beetle live in rainforest. Rhinoceros beetle have a horn on the head like rhinos. They are big and strong. Spiders live in rainforests too. Tarantulas live in South America rainforest. They are probably the biggest spider in the world. Their legs can be 30 centimeters long. Tarantulas have 8 eyes, but they can't see very well. Birds. Some rainforest birds are very colorful. The Australian king parrot has red head, green wings, and a blue tail. It has a yellow circle around its eyes. Watson birds are black, brown, gray, orange, red, and blue. They live in the Amazon rainforest. Their babies have 2 claws on each wing. They use these claws to climb before they can fly. Some rainforest birds are big. The female northern cassowary from Papua New Guinea can be up to 2 meters tall. It can weigh 58 kilograms. It has very big feet and it can fly. Other rainforest birds are very small. The smallest birds are hummingbirds. They drink nectar from flowers. They can flap their wings very fast, from 15 to 18 times per second. People. Many different groups of people live in tropical rainforest. The Panam people live in Sarawak. Sarawak is Borneo in Asia. The Panam people travel through the rainforest in families up to 30 people. Each family has one hut to live and one hut smaller to sleep in. When they travel, they build new huts. The Panam people make flour from sago palm tree. They hunt and eat deer, smaller mammals, and birds. Sometimes they use blowpipes to hunt. The rainforest is the home of Funan people, but some other people cut down the trees. Then the rainforest is different. Sometimes the Panam people can't find the plant that they use for medicine. Sometimes they can't find clean water or food. Rainforest problems. Tropical rainforests are getting smaller. People cut down the trees to get wood. Then they sell the wood. Lots of furniture, doors, and floors are made from wood. Some farmers also cut down rainforest trees. They do this to keep cows on the land or to grow coffee or sugar. They can sell the cows, coffee, and sugar. Trees are good for the soil. When there are no trees, the soil is not very good. Then, new trees grow more slowly, and some trees die. With no trees, rainforest people and animals have no homes. They can't find food, and they can't live in the rainforest. People cut down about 20 20,000 square kilometers of rainforest every year. This is called deforestation. Save the rainforest. How can we save the tropical rainforest? We can buy coffee, sugar, and bananas from farmers who do not cut down rainforest trees. We can buy furniture that is not made from rainforest wood. We can buy recycled paper. This saves trees because the paper is also made from wood. We can teach other people about rainforests and the people that live there. We can teach them about the amazing rainforest plant and rivers. We can teach them about the special mammals, birds, and mini-bees that live there too. Rainforests are so beautiful and important places. Save the rainforest.